Welcome back. So, today we are going to do an activity to help your child learn numbers. As you can see, I have chosen numbers 1 to 5 and 0 since my child is a little young. If your child is older, you can go ahead and add a lot more numbers to this strip and do the same activity. So, let's get started. So, all you need is two sheets of paper. One, you need the strip with the numbers you want to teach. You have to get a chart paper, and we are going to make boxes in such a way that every alternate number is visible. You can also teach your child odd and even numbers very easily using this activity. So I hope you try it with your child and do let me know. So let's get started. What number is this?
1,
Very good. What number is this?
3.
Very good.
What number is that?
What number is that? What number is this?
Oh,
No. What number is this? Okay, we'll play a game. You know what number this is, right? What number is this?
1.
Very good. Now keep one star there.
Draw it there. Draw it there. Draw. Star.
Keep one star. How many star will you keep? Keep one star here. Only one star.
Draw.
Keep one star. Very good. Good boy. Okay, what number is this?
3.
Very good. Keep 3 stars here. Keep 3 stars.
Draw it there.
Okay. Keep 3 stars. Keep. Keep. How many stars will you keep?
Like orange. Orange.
Okay, keep 3 stars, Kanna. Keep 3 stars.
But this is not working.
Okay, how many stars are here? Count how many stars are here. Count how many stars.
You do. This one. This one.
Okay, you count how many stars are here. Okay. Count. Count Koche. I'll show you something. New numbers. Do you see new numbers? Huh? What number is that? 0. What number is this? This. 2. So that's how our number learning session continued. I hope you liked it. Do try it out with your child. And do subscribe and support us for more fun educational videos.